Module 2 is entitled Perspectives on Conflict. Early attachment styles, known as secure attachment or insecure attachment to parents, typically affect conflict resolution abilities later on in life. There are 4 attachment styles. We have anxious, which is referred to as preoccupied in adults; avoidant, referred to as dismissive in adults; disorganized, referred to as fearful-avoidant in adults; and secure attachment. Perceptions of and attributions about behaviors are at the heart of the conflict process. We use a different lens for viewing ourselves than we do for viewing others. Now, upon this lesson, you will be able to recognize the major perspectives and schools of thought in psychology. Also, explain the various perspectives in conflict. We will review Cattell's factor analysis trait theory and the Big Five, and also there will be some personality tests that I would like you to take, all free, just so you can see what type of personality you have. This is going to be a fun module.